we've been invited down to get a hands-on preview of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Fold 8 Ultra. So why don't we go inside and take a look? I'm here getting hands-on with the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Let's get some games in. Come on. First thing I'm going to do is open it up and the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra fills the entire screen when you're gaming, especially games like Diablo Immortal where you want to see everything in it. Say you're lost, say you don't know what to do, you can always just go down and grab the IGN guides for Diablo Immortal and then just kind of watch it play out as you're going on. Still plenty of screen space and screen room to play the game and to see exactly what you're doing. Okay, how about we try a different game? Let's try Asphalt. Yeah, very nice. Very easy to hold. It's so thin as well. It's definitely one of the thinnest phones I've ever held, and definitely the thinnest Samsung Galaxy Fold. Now, I've been playing some games on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra for a while now, and I'm just really intrigued by the screen, so why don't we take a deeper look into it? I spoke to Kadesh Beckford at Samsung to find out how the new Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is designed with gamers in mind.
Well, fundamentally, it's the large 8-inch display that we have on here. Also because we have a brand new Flex titanium technology, you're actually going to get a flatter display and also a reduced crease. So from a viewing experience, it looks absolutely amazing. From a power and performance, it comes with the Qualcomm Data Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy processor. So you've got all the power and performance to play games. And the part that I liked probably the best is that I can multitask really easy. So on this large display, I can simply, if I get a message, I can respond to the message while staying in gameplay. And I think a thing sometimes we forget about gaming on mobile is the audio experience. So these have Dolby Atmos, stereo speaker system, so they sound great, they look great, and again works great with gaming. And because of optimizations you can do, you can actually extend the battery life with our game launcher feature that's available on both of our phones. So you can actually have a more extensive battery life for a longer time frame. Brand new Ultra does now have a 5,000 milliamps, which is very, very long in terms of a battery. Actually, it's the longest battery we've ever put in a Fold. Those are just some of the key things.
The Fold Ultra is the thinnest Fold you ever made.
Yes, it is.
I mean, that fits in your pocket perfectly.
It's amazing. It's only 4.1 millimeters when opened, even though we've made the battery even bigger. So that's real innovation. If, for example, you've completely drained your device and you want to get back up, within 30 minutes you can get 67%. Yeah, it's a great thing. It's a great phone for gaming.
It sounds like it. Can you also just tell me about the vapor chamber as well?
Yeah, so the cooling system. Yeah. So we've got an enhanced graphite cooling system on here. So even in playing heavy intensive games, it's actually 7 to 8% larger than the predecessor. Remember, taking into consideration the battery is bigger and it's thinner, that cooling system just keeps your device running cool so you don't drop any frames in any form of gameplay.
To find out more about the new Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and the rest of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 range, head to Samsung.com. And for all things gaming and tech, stick with IGN.